Alright everybody, I know in the last video I did a cold start on the classic cars for you, but today we're actually going to do a real cold start on the truck. It's been sitting since Friday and it has been sub-zero, well below 32 anyways. In fact, I will get in the wife's car and show you the temperature once I get it lined up here. There, it's 9 degrees outside right now. So what you're going to hear a lot of is a lot of clicking, clacking, knocking. I did have to top the antifreeze off because apparently my radiator has decided to start leaking all over the ground. And it's barely 2 years old, which is stupid. So anything below 15 degrees or so, and my power steering pump whines like crazy too. So you're probably going to hear that, and it's going to creak and groan and rattle and clack for probably 5 minutes. In the winter, I always let it warm up for 5 or 6 minutes in order to get the oil flowing. So without any further ado, we're going to give you a cold start on the truck. Almost sounds like a diesel. Antifreeze is okay now. I'm going to cap that back off. I have to keep adding antifreeze every 3 or 4 days to it. I don't know if you can hear all that rapping going on. I'm going to need to adjust the valves here soon probably. More so on the passenger side than anywhere else. But I'm not gonna make you guys listen to the whole 5-minute warm-up on this thing. So here's a little video for you all, a cold start for my Ford truck in the winter when it's like below freezing, which will be staying that way for quite a while now, probably till the beginning of March, mid-March, and then it'll may start to warm up. So till the next one, y'all have fun.